Google might work a little like Siri in the near future. The search engine is preparing for a semantic overhaul that could mean big changes to its search results page. The Wall Street Journal reports Google search will display more facts and answers to questions rather than just linking to other content. The logic is if a search engine understands what words mean, its results will be more relevant. But a writer at Search Engine Land points out a lot of the technology Google's touting for its new search has been around for a while. Google's been doing that for so long that it's hard for me to even know exactly when it all began. UPS and FedEx tracking reports, along with flight status updates, a built-in calculator, and more, had it in 2004. Movie information and stock charts, 2005. Music and weather, 2006. Sports scores, 2009. And Softpedia says none of it is really exclusive to Google either. Bing is doing the same, of course, but there's no significant difference or lead, and Bing certainly hasn't been doing something that Google is only now starting. What may be true, though, is that Google is ramping up efforts in this area. But Google does have a new tool to add to its chest. 9 to 5 Google says the company has had a team of engineers working over the last 2 years to compile a vast database of some 200 million people, places, and things to reference. The hope is that Google's search engine will be able to make associations between the data points and to answer complex questions. And Gizmodo expects we'll see even more layers of info on top of that, pulled in from Google's other services. But expect Google to put its own undoubtedly superior spin on the technology. In particular, there will probably be deep and rich integration of video, images, and books, as well as intelligent systems that don't just look up data from Google's database, but learn from searches over time. The Verge says a side effect of this more relevant and targeted search is, of course, more relevant and targeted ads. Providing direct answers instead of links out to other pages would also fit in with Google's newest strategy of attempting to keep users engaged in its own properties, like Google+, theoretically giving the company another way to sell itself to advertisers. Sources told the Wall Street Journal the new capabilities could start showing up in Google searches within a few months. For Newsy, I'm Christina Hartman. Multiple sources, the real story.